Hi everyone, I'm Kieran from 81 Vintage and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we're taking a thrifted mirror and restoring it and giving it new life. So this is the guest room at the moment. It's completely stacked high with all things that we just need to get through. So one of the thrifted items that really needs flipping first is this mirror. I'm going to grab that. The original price of this mirror was £5, but I picked it up on a half price deal and so it was just £2.50. I really liked the plate on this glass because it's really old, mottled, and has got those great signs of distress. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with this piece, so I started with the back. I took one of the eyelets off and gave it a coat of paint. The back of this mirror has been painted in something before, so I'm just going to go straight over the top. So I'm going to paint it in Fernie Paint Black Night, which is our blackest black, and it's a high pigment, low VOC paint that's going to go straight over the top of this old finish. Then I moved my attention to the front. The old finish had some drips in it, so I used some wire wool to try and smooth them out. You can see here that there's this lovely sort of mahogany or walnut colour underneath here. I can tell this wood underneath is quite good quality. It's not something that I'd normally do, but I think I might strip it. Strip and paint is definitely an outside job. So this is what the garage currently looks like. It's stacked, but I do know that there's a little yellow tin of paint stripper there, so I'm going to get that out. Paint stripper seems to last forever. This Nitromores that I had was all rusted and old in the tin, but still did the job perfectly. Don't need someone to save me. You can see how quickly it's worked. And don't come running and blame me. From miles away I can tell there's something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said that love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. So it looks like it's really working. I'm going to go and get some gloves because it's getting a bit too close to my hands, and I'm going to go and find something to get all the scrapey bits off with and to put them into. I used some toilet roll to try and remove some of the old paint that was floating around, just to try and keep a cleaner working area. Then I used some soap with a toothbrush and a bit of water, which isn't ideal for wood, but it was super hot out so it dried really quickly, to wash off all of the little leftover pieces. It's fully dry and I brought it inside and this is how it looks. Now we've got it back to the bare wood, it looks like it's lost its luster, so we're going to add back that detail and bring out that depth of colour. An old trick that I learned for reviving wood is to use a black enamel based paint with a cloth and use it as a stain. You can apply it on and it not only adds colour and depth to the wood, it helps to cover over any scratches and it also helps to seal the wood. You can really start to see that beautiful colour come back in front of your eyes. And you can also use this to build up any areas where the wood might be a little bit damaged or the veneer might be a bit damaged, just to try and disguise those areas. And this is how it came out. Don't forget to stay tuned towards the end to see how much I priced it for. The old beauty of this wood can now really be seen, and I think that it looks much better than it did before. Now all that's left is to take it to the shop and price it up. As always, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please do hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can catch all my future episodes. I post 5 videos a week as I go full time in my creative business. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode.